Hi guys, my name is Justice Green. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple airplane.
Yeah,
So
it's right here.
So I'll start. First, you fold the paper in half, just like this. Make sure the lines are even, and then crease it. Then you fold it out like this. You'll see that line in the middle. So next, you will fold the edge like that. Then crease it. Do the same thing to the other side. Then your paper should look like this.
Then fold the point down.
Then get the point
and fold it down.
Like this. This.
Put it, and make sure to put it straight.
Now next, you want to fold this top right here down. I already made that crease for you guys to see. Then crease it. Now it should look like that. Fold it down again. Make sure that's right. And then it should look like this. See? Alright, next you want to see this? You want to fold the paper back like this. So look, fold it back. Make sure that line in the middle. See? Now your paper should look like this. Now you fold it like this. There's a crease right there, and you fold it right there. Like this. Now your paper should look like that with that thing right there. That's the handle where you're gonna throw it. Then you flip it over. Do the same thing to this side. There. Look. See? Now it should look like this. Big and wide. But now you're gonna fold this right up right here. See? Look. Right there. Fold that up. Look. Right there. And then do the same thing to the other side. Like this. And then that's it. It's ready to fly. You just go out and then throw it. Blah, 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 blah.